Heppner. And that was my dog, Champ. Boys and girls, say hello to Champ. Teachers and homeschooling parents, please get your students, your child, or your children and come on over and help me to teach Champ the 5 short vowel sounds. Champ, will you say hello, Vowels? So let's look at the A. Boys and girls, do you know the short vowel sound for A? It's A. Say it. What did you say? A little louder, please. That's it. Good job, you guys. Okay, now let's see if Champ can say A. Okay, Champ, can you say A for the boys and girls? Great job, Champ! Great job! Wasn't that a great job, boys and girls? What is the short vowel sound for the letter E? Did you say eh? And that's correct! Good for you, boys and girls! Try it on Champ. Okay, Champ, can you give me the vowel sound for the letter E? The short vowel sound, Champ. Woo! Pretty good, Champ. Pretty good for a dog. That's pretty good. Right, boys and girls? What is the short vowel sound for the O? Okay, boys and girls, tell me. Did you say aw? Then if you said aw, that's correct. But we're going to take it down a little bit. We're going to go aw. We can go down here. Aw. Try that for me. Aw. Good. Okay, Champ, it's your turn. Champ, let's hear you say the short vowel sound for the O. Great job, Champ! Oh, goodness! Aren't you proud of him, boys and girls? Oh, see, he's learning the short vowel sounds. Let me hear you give me the short vowel sound for the U. Okay, good. Is the short vowel sound for the letter U. All right, Champ. Here's your turn. Come on, Champ. We have our fingers crossed for you, boy. Don't you love it, boys and girls? Love it? Can you answer this question? Which vowel sound, short vowel sound, did we skip over? I. Yes, the short I vowel sound. And we are going to say the short I vowel sound right now. And it's I. I. Did you get it? Yeah. So let's do a review here. We have the short A vowel sound is A. The short E vowel sound is E. The short I sound is I. The short O sound is aw. And the short U vowel sound is Good job. And I love what you're doing for yourself. You are learning the short vowel sounds and it's going to make decoding words easier for you. So keep on practicing your vowel sounds, your short vowel sounds. And Champ and I'll see you at another time for another lesson. Bye!